Let's find out together about our precious child's teeth, Atomy Kids' natural drunkenness. Since they can't spit it out well, don't worry about fluoride residue. If it's a fluoride-free kids' natural toothpaste, it's safe, right? Organic products that make you look at them again. There are many products that are processed using organic ingredients, but you can trust Atomy Kids' natural toothpaste with Cosmos organic certification as the finished product. It's amazing that the finished product is certified organic. The fact that the ingredients of Atomy Kids' natural toothpaste are also carefully selected, with local production in France by a manufacturer with long-standing know-how, safe products that have passed various tests by trusted institutions. Since it is a toothpaste for children, the taste and aroma are also important, right? With a natural raspberry scent rather than a synthetic fragrance, we are now starting to take care of your child's teeth without rejection. One in the home, another in the daycare center or kindergarten. For your precious child's dental care, meet Atomy Kids' natural toothpaste now.